Hey there, everybody, and welcome. Today, we're diving into grandparenting. It's a role filled with joy and love, but it's not always sunshine and rainbows. Grandparenting has its challenges. From technology to their energy, it's a juggling act. Let's explore tips to help you thrive as a grandparent. Now, let's get started. First things first, we have to talk about boundaries. Respecting those boundaries is crucial. Think of it like this. You've had your time in the driver's seat. Now it's their turn. Trust their judgment and support their parenting style, even if it's different from yours. The key here is open and honest communication with your children. It's about working together to provide the best environment for those precious grandchildren. Now let's talk about the importance of individual time with each grandchild. Each child is unique, a blend of personalities and passions. Spending one-on-one time allows you to connect on a deeper level. Plan activities that cater to their individual interests. It could be as simple as baking cookies, visiting a museum, or reading their favorite book. It's about creating those special moments they'll cherish forever. The world our grandchildren are growing up in is vastly different from the one we knew. Technology is a huge part of their lives. Learning video calls, texting, and social media helps us stay in touch. Imagine video chatting with your grandchild at college. It might seem intimidating, but it's worth the effort. One of the most precious gifts we can give our grandchildren is the gift of memories. Those shared experiences become a part of their personal history. Think about the things you love doing with your own grandparents. Maybe it's baking together, going on hikes, or just snuggling up with a good book. The possibilities are endless. The most important ingredient is spending quality time together, making memories that will last a lifetime. Life has its ups and downs, right? That's true for everyone, especially our grandchildren. As grandparents, we have this incredible opportunity to be a source of unwavering support. It's about being present, not just physically, but emotionally. Sometimes the greatest gift we can give is simply our presence, a shoulder to cry on, or a listening ear. Our grandchildren may not always need advice or solutions. Sometimes they just need to be heard, validated, and loved unconditionally. One of the most rewarding aspects of being a grandparent is watching our grandchildren grow and develop their passions. We have a unique opportunity to nurture their curiosity and love of learning, show genuine interest in their hobbies, and support their endeavors. Maybe they're fascinated by dinosaurs or love to draw. We can take them to museums or visit the library. Learning should be fun and engaging, and as grandparents, we play a vital role. Staying active is important at any age, and that includes being grandparents. It's not just good for our physical health, it's also good for our mental and emotional well-being. Think back to your own childhood. Remember the joy of running through the park or playing hide and seek? Let's tap back into that childlike wonder and create new memories with our grandchildren. Whether it's going for walks, playing tag, or dancing around the living room, find activities that you both enjoy. Just like we've gone through different stages in our lives, so will our grandchildren. One minute they're toddling around, the next they're starting school, and before we know it, they're teenagers. The key is to be flexible and adapt as they grow. What works for a toddler won't work for a teenager. Keep communication open and be understanding. More and more families today are blending, creating beautiful and diverse dynamics. While it's wonderful, it can also come with complexities. Approach these situations with empathy, understanding, and patience. Focus on the love for our children and grandchildren. Building relationships takes time. Respect everyone's feelings. Strive to be a source of stability and support, fostering a loving environment. Let's talk about something really important: self-care. As grandparents, we pour so much love and energy into our families, but it's crucial that we don't forget to take care of ourselves. Think of it like this: you can't pour from an empty cup. In order to be the best grandparents we can be, we need to make sure our own needs are met. When we feel our best, we're better equipped to show up for our loved ones in meaningful ways. As we wrap up, remember this: being a grandparent is a gift. It's about creating a legacy of love, laughter, and memories. Embrace the journey with open arms and navigate the challenges with grace. The love between a grandparent and grandchild is a powerful force. Go out there and be the best grandparents you can be. The world needs your wisdom, your love, and your unwavering spirit.